Yes. Yes. Yep. Four.
I couldn't sleep last night, my mind was somewhere else, and I tried not to wake you up from dreaming. How do I tell you that it's all because of us I'm awake, and because of what I'm feeling. And that love's a fooling game. I don't want you to be crying tears of pain, even though it feels like I'm close to you, but still so far away. I kiss you, but not in the same way. I cannot tell you how it happened when things started to change, and I'm not sure of what I'm saying, 'cause every time I'm rushing into something I start to shake. There's always something I am missing. But this love's a fooling game. I don't want you to be crying tears of pain, even though it feels like I'm close to you, but it's still so far away. I touch you, but not in the same way. You saw what's coming in my eyes, but I won't stop hoping. You heard what's coming on my voice, and I can't help shivering. You took my hands and pinned your forehead against mine, and waited for me. You waited for me. Love's a fooling game. None of us want to be crying tears of pain, even though it feels like we're closer now, and we'll get closer every day. I'm trying, oh, in every kind of way. I don't want you to be crying tears of pain, even though it feels like I'm close to you, I'm still so far away. I love you, but not in the same way.
Yeah.